In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to change the word layout on a single page without affecting the rest of the document. First of all, open the document that you want to change part of the layout in. Zoom out so you get an overview of the document. In the tabs at the top of the window, you need to select the Page Layout tab. Normally, Word will change the layout of the whole document when you change a setting. In order to prevent this, you need to use something called section breaks. In this example, we are just wanting to change the layout of the front page. In order to separate the layout of this page from the rest of the document, click at the end of the last sentence of the page, then click on Breaks, then click on the Continuous option in the menu that appears. Now you have separated this page from the rest of the document's layout, click anywhere in the body of the text and make a layout change. In this example of changing the word layout on a single page, we are going to adjust the orientation to landscape. As you can see, only the first page of the document changes.